If you're wondering what a high-performing fit woman eats for breakfast, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you exactly what I eat and even how I cook it. So in my breakfast right now, I'm doing 50 grams of 99.1 lean ground turkey. We're doing 2 pasture-raised eggs. I've got 100 grams of butternut squash, 100 grams of cucumber, and 100 grams of mango. I air fried the butternut squash. I kind of put it in the microwave first just to kind of tenderize it a little bit. And then just do the eggs and the turkey on the stove and put it all together. I like to make like an egg skillet, so we'll show you how to do that. Okay, order is important because the butternut squash takes the longest. So I go ahead and put it in the air fryer, just spray a little bit of avocado oil on it and season it and start that. We've already put them in the microwave just to kind of soften them a little bit for like 3 minutes. And then we will air fry them on 75 for about 7 before I forget. But this has been a delightful little hack. It's actually really good. It makes the breakfast like super savory. And for those who struggle to get veggies and whatnot in their diet, try it once. Just trust me. Okay, so the magic question is always around protein, right? So we want to kind of explain why we choose the protein sources we do. So pasture-raised eggs, like these chickens are going to be eating a more natural diet. It comes through and, you know, what it eats is what we eat, and so pasture-raised eggs are going to have more beta-carotene, more vitamins and minerals, and mainly more omega-3s. That's like super, super important. And then the reason for the 99.1 on the turkey is for every 100 grams of turkey, 1 gram is fat, and the rest is protein. So it's a super, super lean protein source, and it makes my breakfast really tasty. Okay. So I like to eat all my things in a bowl because I don't want to miss anything. But there's the turkey and the butternut squash in the bottom with the eggs. I use a spoon because I can get every last bit. And I like to put the eggs on top because if any yolk runs on top, I can scoop that up. But then my cucumbers and my mango. And that's breakfast. If you want to know how to make super tasty, delicious meals that give you lots of energy, help you to hit your goals and sustain that, shoot us an email at fitcoupleu, just the letter U, @gmail.com, and we'll show you how.